Italian Mom is back! And today, we're gonna make a cheesecake, Italian ricotta cheesecake. My grandson lived with me 15 years ago, and I used to make him a cheesecake, Italian cheesecake every week. He just loved it. So today, I'm gonna make one for you. We need 3 pounds of drained Italian ricotta. I use 8 eggs, 1 cup of sugar. I use a cup of Anisette crumbs to line the cheesecake pan. I make my own crumbs. You just crush them up with the rolling pin and you have the cookies. Lemon zest from 2 lemons, and then you add your Anisette. 2 teaspoons of Anisette. If you like the flavor, you probably could use more. First, I preheated the oven to 425. Now that that's done, I got my mixer ready. This is 3 pounds of ricotta. I use polio, the best. There's a plug for you, polio. I drained this ricotta for 2 days with the cheesecloth in the colander. Comes out great. You have to drain, otherwise your cheesecake's gonna be watery. Nobody wants a watery cheesecake. Gradually add 1 cup of sugar. And now when that's done, I'm going to add my eggs one at a time. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of Anise Extract. Now mix that all for 5 minutes. It looks like it's done. Now I'm going to add the zest of 2 lemons. The difference between the Italian ricotta cheesecake and the American style cheesecake is that with Italian we use ricotta cheese, and all the other cheesecakes are made with cream cheese, lots of cream cheese, but this is just ricotta and eggs. Now that the batter is all done, we're going to get ready to put it in the cheesecake pan. You grease this with butter, which I already did. Now I'm going to sprinkle the crumbs on all sides of the pan. There it is. I put the aluminum on the outside, the aluminum paper on the outside of the cake pan so it wouldn't leak. And now I'm ready to pour in the ricotta batter in my pan. Go to the last drop. Okay, here's my cake. Now remember, the oven was 425 for ½ hour. Then you're going to reduce the heat for 375 for 45 minutes. After the 45 minutes, you leave it in the oven with the door closed for 1 hour. Now we're waiting for the cheesecake, so we're going to have coffee and cheesecake. And you're all going to be invited. Tutta la tavola per mangiare. Grandma always used to make the cheesecake, you know, Easter time, and then she put the dough on the bottom and then she put lettuce on the top. It always looked so pretty. That was nice. There was a knock at the door. It was Susie, it was Susie. There was a knock at the door. It was Susie, it was Susie. Open the door. Oh yeah, that was just something that the kids used to play all the time.
Show starts in 1 minute.
Do you know this one? I come for the rent, the rent, the rent. I don't have the rent, the rent. I come for the rent, the rent, the rent. But I don't have the rent, the rent, the rent. I come for the rent, the rent, the rent. But I don't have the rent, the rent, the rent. I have the rent, the rent, the rent. Oh, my hero. This I sing to the kids all the time to get them quiet sometimes. I come for the rent, the rent, the rent.
And now, on with the show.
Ooh, the buzzer went off. The cheesecake is ready. Wow. This is a heavy cheesecake. It cooked perfect. It didn't even get a crack in it. Remember the first cheesecake I made? It looked like a road map. Remember that one? Perfecto. We'll just go around the edge a little bit to loosen the cake. Okay, here's the cheesecake, all done, baked and cooled. This is the best time now. I get to cut the cake and get the first piece. Oh my goodness, it's delicious. It's so smooth. Now you have both my New York cheesecake and you have my Italian ricotta cheese pie. So get baking. Try and make it. It's really delicious. Came out beautiful. The recipe is in the description below. Let me know if you make it. Leave a comment. Don't forget, a new video each month. Click to subscribe. Love you all. It's so delicious. Bye. Peter, come on, taste the cake. Where are you, Peter? My grandson's gonna love this cake. It's so moist. Take it, Peter. Tu alla dava per mangiare.
It's good.
Come on, taste it, come on. Italian Mom is back. I hope you're glad to see me. These Italian...
That's alright, we're gonna do that over anyway.
I like vanilla in my cake, but he liked Anisette, so that's what I'm gonna make today. Anisette the cheesecake. This is the best part. This is the best part now. I get to cut the cake, the cheese. This is the best part now. Yum, yum, yum. It's so smooth. Who is this? I come for the rent. I come for the rent. But I don't have the rent. Love you. Bye.